Over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free. Welcome to my fans on the TV. It's the CAF Champions League. Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Esma 0. I'm joined by Langa TV.
Hola, Stibo.
Show leadership.
Or my leader.
Kemnati leadership.
Sharp, my leader. Vandaag Marokata somo baya my leader. Bon, I got the first derby ne. Kirile ke loko FNB. Heke tswa game child. Ebe ke kopana le Mauti ne. Tibo bona ntwe ntachitse. Mauti ababone. Mara bana batle game.
Why? Every day.
Darmo bana ka re ba fethu. Ke tlo lira la makarapa. And I get all the Gaya Makara. So, Vandaag ke ba tlo Gaya Mauti Makarapa. Tibo bon. Mauti ba le banchela. Bar mon na bar we are close to Amafeno weight. And did I be an touch and to say, ya no Mauti ba analyze a one ball. Basa bone mo matlo.
But where is scam?
But where is scam na ga mo. That do man and ba tseba sok. Yeah, so Tibo, are ke ba start ke setse ke tsama maina bona Makarapa bona ke ba. Okay, mzi
Hi, Muziki.
I'm in Sundowns. We may hate to actually say it, but no, it's stars years or so. Okada also seems to have mastered Champions League football. And I know, I mean, if all the big guns have fallen by the wayside. Manga ithatanga nje ukhado wasonayo. Uzolandela le ndoda le engathi nayo ifuna ukwenza okunye ngale eHolland. Kodwa ke nawo waduna ngathi kodwa ke I think uKhadoso, I mean, quality will always win you games. Ma uno Mudiba uno Mukwena. Even if you fail to score in open game, you know there's that chance to steal the game. So problem semnandi ngishabulela uMakarapa ngifuna ukukhuluma kakhulu.
You give us a man of the match. You give away. I'm not going to Stibo. I'm the leader. Stibo. Yeah, it's okay.
I'm Stibo for man of the match. Gaya Mrembula. Mrembula utalile. Quality. And then cannot let on about the second star. And then game maybe eliminate Stibo Mar besides Antoba Edison last season. Last season man abafihla la ko North Africa kwa
Mama Memo.
Pyramids esantwengwe isabaphetha fara but next week Sunday. And what's the game is at Sunday yabahlopha Sundowns. Are tshebo this time hona. But esantwe right this team.
Lesopa saminya kwa.
Awaswana kiminya la mahala.
Sandawana. Segui Mike Sandawana.
Grand team.
Ngimnandi.
Mina ngihappy ukuthi ngithole Makarapa ukuthi nginile but anko happy ngezinto like I think Vandaag if Sundowns they score maybe khona le chance to uLeon le goalkeeper bekhidle phansi khona if bese score le besothi yangada siye nge 2-0 caution ngada yathola bekuzoba better manje this week mara Steve ngibhekana neSpan esinye sokuthi from Monday until Friday at least kuzomela ngizama ukuclean isisu esimanga clean Saturday na Sunday ngibhekane nomunye ukuminya mawuminya isisu singekho clean man kuzoba nenkinga
Suzamanka. Man of the match yakho banja.
Man of the match ayiwo bonke ama player game eFandaag. 11 yonke bonke.
Bafethu mamela ngoko majita iutlwile jwang daidi. Kakamza.
Okay, right. Comes the commentator Ntsimbego bekikoba ezinye Ntsimbitsizwe mnyama igezi ya pole chebo chawo tsefela. Loftus Versfeld Pretoria first leg ya CAF Championship. Stopper sa Mamelodi Sundowns ba Richard Mokgopa le stopper sa S fa e ka saba fa e tla ba Nia Rabat bona ga botsefela o tla tšea bolo Ronza rol ka bolo ka botlhalo tla tšea o e bea mo tseleng ya Khuliso Mudau bona Khuliso Mudau tla tšea bolo e latela tseleng ya Grant Sasakekana bona Grant Sasakekana tla tšea bolo o e bea mo tseleng ya mang o e bea tseleng ya Morembula bona Morembula o tla tšea bolo o e bea mo tseleng ya Brian Leone ba mmea fase Brian Leone e tla ba free kick ya Stoba sa Mamelodi Sundowns 14 meter away from the goal line ke mona Aubrey Modiba wa batamela godimo yona free kick eo ke mona Nuno Santos o eme o iketlile ha re bone ha ke gopola ga botse Aubrey Modiba a ile a dira ntwengwe ba raloka le Royal AM gona mo eme ngona bolo eo gona Aubrey Modiba o lebeletše yona bolo eo ha re bone Aubrey Modiba ka raka le ngala singendleki saboa hi swi endla hi ta swi endla na loko mistress va ri kona